Hey everybody, this is Tony with Marine Connection, and it is a beautiful day here in South Florida. Behind me is the Gamefish 30 coffin box from Sea Hunt. It is an updated model, and Sea Hunt has done some really great updates to this model. We're going to show you why they are the leader in family fishing and fun for boats in this size on the water. So let's go check it out, and I'll show you everything this thing has to offer. So here we are in the back, in the cockpit, and just look at the space here. It's crazy. Lots of room back here. Power plant is this one has the 300s, but you can go with the 350 Yamahas on this now with the new hull design. And you've got the transom live well, the fold down seat here that's integrated into the transom. You've got your aquarium bait well, bait prep station, fresh water, and 60-inch fish boxes in the floor. Also, lots more space for rods with the new design of the T-top with the rod holders here. So just overall, this thing is really awesome in terms of fishing. This is where the magic happens. Let's check out the Helm. Here we got great layout, Garmin 16-inch screens, dual screens, stereo, all your switches here for everything on the boat. You've got a Garmin VHF up top with your spreader light controls and your vent control. Full Helm master with joystick and autopilot. And you got your cup holders here. You got lots of space for your captain and co-pilot. And fold down bolsters, fold down armrests, fold down footrests. Very comfortable, great place to be on the water and control the boat when you're out fishing or cruising to the sandbar. So this Gamefish 30 is powered with 300 Yamahas, which gives you the performance that you need. This boat runs awesome with that. It also has the ability for you speed demons out there. You can get the 350s if you want to go with more power. That is available now on this boat. So we will have those in stock as well. So you can come check it out and run the boat if you like. But it gives you the performance that you want when you're running offshore or just cruising to the sandbar. So the console in the Gamefish 30 is really nice, lots of room, and you've got a full electric head, the freshwater sink, storage, and the storage for the ladder, of course, and then access to your electronics. But there's a lot of room down here, so if you're out running around, or let's just say you hit a storm, the kids want to get out, they can get out of there. There's room down there to go and just get out of the elements for a few minutes. So up front on the coffin box model is, of course, the coffin box, which is super comfortable. The storage underneath is huge. It's 320 quarts. You've got a pitch well here, so you can have people fishing up here and then people fishing in the back as well, and you don't have to run back and forth for your bait, which is really nice. But lots of room. I mean, I'm walking up here. I got access to my windlass, very easy access, and just incredible amount of space up here. So that's the Gamefish 30 coffin box, and this thing is just awesome, loaded with features for the fishermen. From the stern to the bow, this thing is laid out great. It still has the features for the family, but the hardcore fishing guy who really wants to get out there and spend a day on the water offshore, this is the boat for you. I'm Tony, I'm with Marine Connection, and I appreciate you joining me today.